Cat and Friends, Episode 31, Cat Falls. The sun was warm. Cat was sleeping on the well. Beep, beep. A car went by. Its horn was very loud. Cat woke up. Then Cat fell. She fell into the well.
Oh no!
Cried Dog.
Help! Help!
Called Cat.
Do not worry, Cat.
Said Dog.
We will help you.
Dog ran to Cow.
Cat fell in the well.
He said.
We must get her out.
They ran to Pig's pen.
Cat fell in the well.
Said Dog.
We must get her out.
Help!
Cried Cat.
Please help me!
Poor Cat. The well was not wet. But the well was deep. And it was very dark.